You don't need to travel to a maritime academy. You don't need to take months off work. You can get internationally recognized maritime certifications, fully online. And here's the proof that it works. Welcome to IMT, International Maritime Training. Today we're addressing the biggest question we get from seafarers across Africa and Southeast Asia. Is online maritime training legitimate? The answer is yes, and here's why. Since 2020, the maritime industry has accelerated its acceptance of online learning. The IMO has issued guidelines supporting online delivery of maritime training programs. Classification societies and flag states now recognize certificates from accredited online providers. The world has changed. Online maritime education is here to stay. IMT is a U.S.-registered maritime training institution with a global reach. Our courses are designed by experienced maritime professionals with decades of industry experience. We serve seafarers in over 15 countries across Africa and Southeast Asia. Our certificates are recognized by employers and maritime authorities for career advancement. We are not just a website, we are a professional maritime training institution. With IMT online training, you study on your schedule, early morning, late at night, or between contracts. You don't pay for accommodation or travel. You complete courses at your own pace. You receive your certificate digitally, accessible anywhere, anytime. And you join a growing community of maritime professionals across Africa and Southeast Asia who have advanced their careers with IMT. Ready to get certified? Visit imtlc.com today. Browse our full catalog of maritime certification courses and enroll in minutes. Your career advancement starts now. Subscribe to IMT for weekly maritime training and career content. If you found this video helpful, like it and share it with a fellow seafarer. See you in the next one.